Oh, there's Elfie. Hi, Elfie. Elfie wants you to know that Dude and I are going to go down to the Forks today and show you around this very popular meeting place in Winnipeg. But first, let's open our Advents. Ralphie? Sitting. Just sitting. Sitting pretty. Ralphie, what you doing? Welcome to the Forks in Winnipeg, Manitoba. This hub of activity is located where the Assiniboine River and the Red River meet, hence the name the Forks. There are shops, a children's museum, many places to eat. It is a beautiful architectural building, and it is a hub of activity all year round. Tallgrass Prairie is one of our stops. And of course, it's right beside candy store where you can find every candy you can think of. Tallgrass Prairie is one of their famous cinnamon buns. So of course, we had to partake. Then we went to all the shops. There are so many wonderful and unique things to be found, especially this time of year. There are beautiful displays everywhere. And so many items to look at. Right, dude? There's even a rental for ice skates. And normally, if it was cold enough, people would be skating right here in this center part. But of course, it wasn't. There are warming huts outside that people can go into and warm up. And if we walk down here, we will make our way to the riverside. Again, if it was cold enough, people would be skating on the ice. There's a walkway all the way along as well. But we decided to go into Johnson Terminal, which is an old railway station, and it now contains shops and the old spaghetti factory, of course. Upstairs, we went to Global Connections, which is a really cool store that imports items from all over the world. And then we found ourselves inside of this giant toy store. You name it, they had it. And if you are into board games, I'm pretty sure you could find one that you like here on this giant board game wall. Thanks for coming along with us on our trip to the Forks. It's a must-see if you ever come to Winnipeg.
If only for a moment we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas I just want a little peace.